What if you could be idle while still getting paid? There are a number of ways to generate money online without actually working. I know, it sounds practically impossible. In this video, I'll expose 3 undiscovered websites that pay you in actual money, are available from anywhere in the world, and can be used for free. Your earnings from using one of these 3 websites will only be $200 to $300. The absurd aspect is that if you use them all at once every day, your income would increase by 10 to 20 times. Some people take it a step further and make $1,000 every day. Please pay close attention and watch through to the very finish to avoid missing any crucial details. I'm overjoyed to have this chance to work with you. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's now watch the video. I'll be showing you 3 distinct websites in all, so stay tuned until the very end. You'll profit the most if you combine all 3 of them. Keep in mind, I'll start by demonstrating this app to you. Using the first website, you may get compensated for the time you spend on social media. I'm referring to websites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Amazon. If you're watching this film, chances are good that you have some free time, are at home, or are otherwise unoccupied. Why not use the Upvoice Chrome plugin, which is free, to make money entirely on autopilot? You can download this Chrome extension for free to your computer or mobile devices. Google Chrome browser because it is a Chrome extension. I'll just quickly go over how this works. To sign up with Facebook, simply click this Continue with Facebook button. You must fill out a quick and simple qualification from after signing up. Your name and email address are both required fields. You will be given the opportunity to download the Upvoice Chrome add-on for free after being accepted. This is secure because they won't have an impact on your browser's functionality as a whole. After installing the Upvoice Chrome extension, you can regularly visit the websites that are affiliated with it to collect daily tokens that can later be redeemed for a number of gift cards, including PayPal Money, the cryptocurrency Pioneer, Payer, and Skrill. You can trade your prices on this website in a variety of various ways. The idea is straightforward. You may earn money by doing nothing more than your regular online browsing and social media activity. You can also earn money online with a second website I'll be demonstrating to you today without doing any additional effort. This is comparable to the Firefox or Google browsers. You can browse and make searches on the internet using this browser. You can gain from doing that simply by exploring and supporting the work of your favorite creator. With the exception of the fact that you can make money using this type of browser, they are just like Google Chrome. Simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store, depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. As you can see by scrolling down below, there are 4.2 stars overall, based on 154,000 reviews. Many people are currently using this, and usage is quickly growing. Naturally, they will pay you for only utilizing the Brave private browser to conduct a search, just like you would normally do every day. Surfing this website can make you money and is faster and safer. To download this, simply visit their website and click the download button to begin the process. Let's go to the third website now. This website is called Qmee, and once more, you can earn money and get paid for it. You will be paid in full within 24 hours by this website in cash. You won't receive any points or be needed to convert them. As you can see, you may generate money simply completing web searches. They merely make up for your routine web searches for you. In the next few minutes of this video, I'll give some instances. With the help of the free browser and mobile app Qmee, you can engage with your favorite companies while surfing websites like Google, Amazon, Bing, Walmart, and Target to share your opinions and receive real cash incentives. You can take part in their polls in addition to conducting searches. They offer you surveys that, compared to those on other websites, pay quite a bit more on average. I'll show you how to do it. Your whole account balance will be visible once you start earning money. PayPal Money, Starbucks, iTunes, or even Amazon gift cards are all acceptable methods of withdrawal. You can click on the surveys when you have some free time and use your phone for something else. This is the first trick I'd like to show you. During the first 3 days after downloading this application, make sure you log in. Because if you log in every 3 days, they'll show you a survey and a job that pays far more. This is a lot more than, let's say, $5 and $10 per surveys. If you don't want to take surveys and just want to make money on full autopilot right now, all you have to do is head to Google. Try typing stylish women's dress into the search bar, for instance. You will notice this bar there on the left as soon as you download the Qmee extension. All of the search results are presented as usual without this plugin. However, something special will appear if you install this Qmee plugin. Left of your browser, this item is displayed. Every time you click on one of these links, you might make money. You're allowed to do this as much as you'd want, even though they don't pay you much. There is no end to them, and they all add up very quickly. It is that simple. You must be a resident of the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia in order to sign up for an account on Qmee. Register with your email address if you are from one of these nations. If you reside somewhere else, don't worry. I'll show you how to register for free. To obtain a free VPN service that you may download, go to Wenscribe. Once you've downloaded it, you can select any country you like. For instance, after choosing the United States, go back to Qmee and register. As you can see below, they can unlock your blocked site, allowing you to bypass their limitation. For Wenscribe, there are free, pro, and paid membership options. You only need to use a free service to travel to these nations. You can select a nation after downloading them, like the United States, then go back to those websites to begin a free sign-up. Many different types of website that make money can use this strategy. As a result, you can generate multiple revenue streams from various websites and make a sizable sum of money from any location. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.